All right, welcome back to this video. In this video, so let's look at how to use PowerPoint. Okay, so this is an introduction to Microsoft PowerPoint. So Microsoft PowerPoint is a productivity software that helps you to create presentations. Okay, so use presentation to present business ideas or even teach students. Okay, so in order to use PowerPoint, you go to the start button, or if you have the icon on your desktop, you click on it. But if you don't have the icon, go to the start button and then search for PowerPoint. That is if you have the Microsoft Office installed. Okay, in my next video, I'll be doing how to install the Microsoft Office. So if you already have it installed, go to PowerPoint and open it this way. Wait for it to come. Then over here, we have a blank presentation. Then we also have templates. Okay, so these are templates. Templates are already designed presentation that you can use. Okay, so when you check this one, it has already been designed. Look at the color and everything. So you can just use any of these templates, or you can click on more themes to get more themes or more templates. All right. So here, let's use blank presentation. In the blank presentation, when you choose that one, you see that there is nothing in your PowerPoint. There is nothing in your presentation. So when we click on a theme or a template, let's click on one and let's see. So I'll click on create. You see that this one has already been designed. Okay, it has already been designed. Good. So let's go back to file, then blank presentation. So here we can add the title of our presentation. So here, let me add something like cyber security, right? Then a subtitle, a way to stay safe. So this is the main title of this slide, and this is the subtitle. So in PowerPoint, a slide is a page, a single page in PowerPoint, okay, or in your presentation file. So a slide is a page in your presentation file or in PowerPoint. So this here that has been marked one here, this is a slide. Okay, this is a slide. Then in order to add different slide, so you see when you take a book, let's say a textbook, you have pages inside the textbook, page one, page two, page three, like that. The same thing we have in PowerPoint. We have pages, but the pages are called slides, right? So here we have the first slide or first page. So in order to add the next one, you can click on insert, then click on new slide. Okay, or you can use Ctrl plus M to insert a new slide, or just in the home tab, you can click on new slide. Okay, so all these are commands you could use in your Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, they are all commands. We'll be talking more about these commands and how to use them. So I can click on new slide here, or I'll click on insert, then click on new slide. All right, so in order for me to work with this slide, I'll click on it this way. So here too, I can add my title. So let's say this is a second slide. Then the subtitle. This is the slide. So anything at all, okay. But if you are working with you are doing something professional, that means you know what you are. Let's say your PowerPoint, your presentation is about business analysis, or maybe you want to craft something to teach your students. That means you have to write the title, and then after that, whatever you want to write and follow, you write them here this way. Okay, we'll be talking about how to align your text. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so now let's look at how to make this our presentation file or our file nice. So when I go to the design, I have example of designs here that I can use. So I can click on this arrow down here, then I have more designs. Okay, so you can select one of them that is nice for you based on what you want to do. So when you put your mouse pointer on it, it will be highlighted. So the one you want, you just click on it and that is it. Okay, and that is it. So this is my my presentation. So okay, let's continue. Then you can add images. You can add images. So here, these are placeholders that you can use to add images. So for example, I want to add image. I can just click on picture. Then from device, then I'll click on it. I'll select a picture and then I'll insert this way. Okay, you can also use it to insert tables. So here, this is a table. So I'll click on table, the number of columns and the number of rows. Then you select and then click OK, and then you have your table. Okay, so this is the header. Maybe so you fill in the table whatever you want to use that particular table for. So we'll be talking more about some of these things in PowerPoint. So this is basic introduction to Microsoft PowerPoint, how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so this commands all here that we have, they are on a ribbon, and these ones are called tabs. So home tab, insert tab. So let me spell the word. The word is tab. Tab. So insert tab. Let me increase the font. Okay. So tab. So we have the insert tab, design tab, transition, animations, slideshows, record, etc. etc. So all these ones are called tabs. Then we have this as the ribbon. Okay. Then we have quick access toolbar. So this side is quick access toolbar. So let me write that one to here is quick access toolbar this way. Okay, so this is the save button. You can use it to save your work. Then this is undo button. Then this is redo. Okay, then use this icon to preview your presentation to see what you have done, or you can use F5. So when I click on it this way, you see that my presentation has been previewed. Right. Good. So I can also use F5 on the keyboard to preview my presentation. But what you have to understand is this is for previewing your presentation. So we'll be talking more about some of these tools. But for now, this is the basic introduction of PowerPoint. If you understand what we have done so far, you can add a text, you can add a new slide, then it should be okay for us to move on to the next lesson. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you comment on the what I should teach next. I'll be teaching more about PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching.